ladies came back to see you guys.
Hi guys! Thanks for coming back to Aroma Joe's. We missed you. We have our two favorite guests in today.
For some puppuccinos.
Yeah, we got the best puppuccinos in Pompano Beach.
Yep.
For the best customers. We love our dog customers. They're our favorite, but don't tell anyone.
Oh, look at Zulu.
Hi! You heard me say that, didn't you?
Oh my goodness. Oh, oh boy. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Aww.
Yay!
Aww.
Puppucchinos.
Oh my goodness.
Two very happy dogs right
Yeah.
there.
Oh my goodness. What a good outing for you guys.
It is. It's like a race. It is. It's like they're very competitive, brother and sister.
We'll finish first.
So cute.
Yeah, we've been, you know, like, we gotta get this. We gotta come back.
Aww.
Oh, look at Zinja. He's trying to get that cookie.
Yeah.
He wants that cookie
I have
so
no
bad.
doubt he will get that cookie.
Oh, no doubt.
Hi guys! Hello!
Hi. You enjoyed? You had your puppuccino? They want another.
Thanks for joining us on our adventure today. Please hit that like button and leave us a comment.